But Amit sir, in some ways, you are the Dhoni of stand-up. You know, should have retired years ago. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It was in my head. I had to say it.
मैं तो टाइम पूछने आया था, इन्होंने बिठा लिया मेरे को.
And this one lady said, "Can you just put on these bunny ears, bend down, and I'll hold a whip?" I was like, "Madam, I don't even allow this with my husband."
Did you not tell her? I think you meant to call Amit Tandon. Other three people are Salman Bhai and colonial cousins. Leslie
Oddest
and Hariharan
combination.
and Salman and me and the four of us are just standing there.
Me and Khamma were halfway through just giggling to ourselves, being like, please, Dadiji, not right now. There's a very dark joke coming up. Please, everyone, clutch your heart. Just
So I went on stage and I started with कि जो लोग स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी बैठ के नहीं देखते उनका धनतेरस बहुत खराब जाता है.
That's too good.
Everybody.
Have you ever done a show for zero audience?
Zero, no.
For zero audience, like doing a live
How
show
can that
with
be a
zero.
show?
So I'll tell you. हम लोग
Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode. Hit that like button. Do let us know in comment section which parts you liked. And subscribe to Presents 4 Yaar.
4 यार मिलेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? वो बैठेंगे तो बातें करेंगे, कुछ किस्से सुनाएंगे एक दूसरे को और पुरानी यादें ताज़ा करेंगे. तो बस यही हो रहा है इस शो के अंदर भी. और हर हफ्ते एक नया एपिसोड आएगा, कुछ नए यार दोस्त आएंगे हमारे. सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना चैनल, बेल आइकन भी दबा देना ताकि अगले हफ्ते अपने आप पता चल जाए कि कब एपिसोड आ रहा है. और लाइक और कमेंट तो आप कर ही दोगे. और बात सुनो, अपने 4 यार को शेयर कर देना. खैर मतलब लाइव शोज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं इस एपिसोड में. और लाइव शोज मेरा तुम लोगों को तो मैंने इकट्ठे पहली बार देखा था आई थिंक परफॉर्म करते हुए एट एपिसेंटर इन इम्प्रोव विद वीर.
Bangans.
Cardinal
Bangans.
Cardinal Bangans.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Back in the day when adjective and random word was the cool thing to name something. Yeah.
That was what 2010 or so.
Yeah.
2010,
Was
11 is
Yeah.
when you guys were doing the improv shows.
Yeah. It was
That time.
Bangans was so funny because it was the only improv show where you knew what punchlines are coming, right? Like
Because you had practiced so much.
you've done it so much. And we used to have punchline games where you would know who would do what punchline because every audience would give the same occupation, they'd give a similar suggestion. So you would just know beforehand only.
They knew stripper, ha ha ha, and they think it's the original one.
Yeah.
I remember in Singapore airport, like so, Tanmay was on fire that show in Singapore. And we're taking the flight back, and then someone came up to me and said, "Hey, are you a?" So I'm usually used to, "Oh, are you Lola Kuti?" I'm used to, "Are you a Cardinal Bengan?"
hello, myself Ekman.
And with him, I remember the live show. I don't know if he remembers that. Like I had a really shitty show because not because he was the MC. You were.
Could have
you
been
know,
also. The whole show was shitty because I was the MC.
I wasn't thinking that, but now I am.
He was the host. My problem was, I got on stage after Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Oh. So you
had that
so you
chat.
had to get 45 runs in 2 balls.
I have nothing to do with that previous statement. That is all Tanmay. I just came to ask the time और इन्होंने बिठा लिया मेरे को.
But you know, imagine following Dhoni on stage. There's no way you can do well.
No.
Because I think there was a half an hour chat that happened
Yeah.
with with Dhoni.
Which one was this in the stadium in Goa?
Not the
'Cause that
stadium, but it was a hotel. Hotel के अंदर
okay,
था.
okay.
And I remember लोग सामने बैठे थे and then Dhoni stepped down and he sat and I got on stage and half the people left because then Dhoni started walking out. That's when I'm performing. So guys, this is Amit Tandon, produced by mother, directed by wife. Okay, half the people are gone.
Yeah, that's a tough act to follow.
But did he introduce you on stage? Introduced you.
introduced
Acha.
me.
So after the Dhoni interview, you had to introduce Mr. Tandon.
हाँ तो हाँ इसके लिए भी step down है. मतलब सिर्फ
From the sublime to the ridiculous.
It's like I don't remember which one this was. I don't remember the venue where this was. But it is sometimes just the programming of these shows I find really like for stand-up comedy I find it really strange because sometimes the audience is not conducive. for that. The setup is not conducive. People are लोग दारू पी के अभी टेबल पे बैठे हैं, कोई पीछे बैठा है, कोई निकल गया है, कोई आ रहा है. It's quite a.
But Amit sir, in some ways, you are the Dhoni of stand-up. You know, should have retired years ago. I'm kidding. It was in my head. I had to say it.
मैं तो टाइम पूछने आया था, इन्होंने बिठा लिया मेरे को.
I'm kidding.
हाँ, but मेरे
He's on the back foot already. He's like, damn it. Helicopter shot on the front foot, damn it.
But मेरे से पहले अभी अतुल खत्री है.
Okay, yeah, there are people like.
He's 56. I am 49. But yeah, live shows always the programming of. Obviously, I was telling Anu before you guys came in that once I was programmed in a show where there's a motivational session, which was a very sad story. So, and after that, I'm supposed to get on stage, and it was a 1 hour session which went on for 1 hour 45 minutes. And in that motivation session, people were crying because it was such a sad story that was told. And then I'm announced on stage. So अब आपको हंसाने और आपके पेट में दर्द करने के लिए आ रहे हैं अमित टंडन.
Yeah. I'll do you one verse. Me and Rohan are doing a show for a corporate thing that was happening on the outskirts of Ahmedabad. So they'd figured some alcohol scene out. Right before we go up was the in memoriam section of employees we have lost last year.
Oh wow.
Then we have gone on the stage. So if you thought motivation was bad, this was demotivation for life. Yeah. Show went fine. People didn't really care about anybody. Clearly, the office is not very close. Because right after feeling sad, they were lolling a lot. So both me and Ron were like, really, you guys are laughing? This is working for you guys? That's we didn't really love them, huh?
Dead inside. Dead inside.
Yeah.
There must have been, all of them must have been from HR.
Dude, everybody. Yeah, clearly. It went really well. We were like, fuck,
अच्छा है कि यार मेरी लीव कैंसिल करी थी इसने.
this is the much better way to be introduced. Remember this we don't care about? We're going to laugh now.
I did a show with the brief was, they said, we'll give you the show and we'll give you, at that time, I think I used to charge 50, 60 grand for the show. And they said, we'll pay you 25 grand extra. Morning में एक 15 minute का motivation session भी ले लोगे? मैंने कहा ले लेंगे. And then they give me the brief कि these are the people we are taking out for the last time. It's almost like a farewell. We are letting them go.
So you were basically being George Clooney up in the air.
Yeah.
Right? You're the guy who had to let them go.
हाँ, so they were letting them go. And एक तो उनको अमृतसर लेके जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, अमृतसर लेके गए, वहाँ पे तुम एक तो उनको वैसे पैसे दे दो यार थोड़े से एक्स्ट्रा.
So that's the golden handshake, अमृतसर.
हाँ,
अच्छा. हाँ.
तो वहीं पर ही रात को शो करना है. And in the morning I have to give a motivation session to people who've been told that.
But to be fair, Amit is the George Clooney of stand-up, which is your wife is better than you.
Oh shit! This is, so you basically have to start with them saying, "So why did the chicken cross the road? You're fired." Why? Go with it.
Because the chicken did not reach its KPIs.
I've been told 5 minutes before going on stage that can you do the whole set in Hindi? I said, you knew I grew up in Chennai, right? Just saying.
Yeah, they thought it would be better comedy.
Yeah.
See?
So because there are a lot more Marwadi aunties in the audience than we anticipated. So can you imagine like on the fly, like you're just like translating your jokes and you're just remembering your Hindi teacher Sudha Vyas from school and you're like, I should have paid more attention. And that was a college show in Hyderabad where...
So did you do it in Hindi then?
I did half and then I said, hang it. Like I can't, I'd just rather, you know, there was too much work. Like I could just feel like myself being drained. And then once was a college show where they said that the buses were going to leave 1 hour earlier. So if you wanted to go back to college, you had to get on the bus. So then they were just, as soon as I was announced, there were just people leaving to get on the bus. And then, you know, there are always like 10 really well-behaved people who are like, Chi, how can I just leave?
feels so
Bichari, yeah, she's come on stage. So literally I performed for 15 minutes for 10 people. By the time there were 2 left. And then the organizer said, I think you can wrap it up.
Yeah, I think we're done.
We'll call you another time for something better.
Their choice was either to either to go back to college or become a college dropout at a stand-up show.
बट
Oh,
लाइव
man.
शोज का जो कॉर्पोरेट है खास करके उसमें अभी भी वही है कि इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक कि गुफा में घुस रहे हो, पता नहीं वहां क्या निकलेगा दूसरी साइड.
Yeah.
यार वो प्लानिंग कभी-कभी ऐसे that's what I'm saying, the programming of corporate shows, it's and I feel like this is a problem that is generally in India. You hire professionals but then you don't let them do the job.
Yeah.
Right? If you've hired an event professional, tell them who your audience is, then let them handle the programming,
Yeah.
right? नहीं मुझे क्योंकि बॉस पहले आ रहा है तो बॉस को ये सुनना है, उसको ये कर, so many other things at play. अरे यार मैंने तो इतने कॉर्पोरेट शो करे हैं जहां से शुरू किया था, और जब अब तो मैं नहीं करता, पर जब मैं करता था, dude, everything was a fire. All you had to do when you're hosting a show is you're just putting out a fire.
Yeah.
कोई इसको चेंज कर दिया, लैंग्वेज चेंज कर दी, कोई बॉस चेंज हो गया, कोई अवार्ड चेंज हो गया. एक दो बारी तो अवार्ड गलत अनाउंस करके there are event companies who've thrown me under the bus. Who said that हमने तो ठीक चिट दिया था, उसने गलत पढ़ दिया. मैंने कहा मैं कहाँ से इमेजिन करूंगा भाई तुम्हारे एम्प्लॉय का नाम. तुमने जो लिख के दिया वो मैंने पढ़ा. ये कोई मूनलाइट वाला ऑस्कर थोड़ी ना जो मैंने अपने मन से बना के कुछ बोल दिया.
Gaurav the night before, कल देखना बेस्ट सीनियर एनालिटिक्स मैनेजर की क्या.
कल कुणाल सचदेव की जगह मोहित शर्मा को दूंगा मैं. कौन है ये?
You know, Cyrus Saukar and I had to do an awards show, and we had a half-an-hour discussion it was for a bank, because they had to call the CEO on stage.
Which bank?
So the two, anyway. So I don't bank with them. I don't care. the two
Has to be HDFC.
No.
The he does
second
events for them.
This is some time back.
I see,
They
I
were
see.
second in command. They were like, how should we introduce the CEO on stage? With 3 adjectives or 7? the incredibly funny, the vivacious, the incredible, the exuberant. And I was like, are we like, you got your MBAs for this, for this moment. Yeah.
You're making XLRI so proud right now.
मेरे को
7
एक बार
articles.
उसने बोला था some Bengali event manager, so he anyway has to put in his creative
Yeah.
into this. It's a big company event in a stadium, so there's 7,000 8,000 people, and this is again 2016 2015 where I've still not started releasing videos, so people don't know who I am, and so I am also under more pressure to do well. And he had a joke in his mind. Okay, the joke was कि जो CEO है वहाँ का, उसका नाम Narendran. Just imagine it's Narendran. It's a different name, but it ends with drone in the end. Okay, so you should do this joke that like a drone that has eyes on everybody. The CEO has eyes on everybody in the organization. He can see everybody. He knows everybody.
Creepy.
That's a that's a joke.
But he
Narendra.
was thinking poetry. It's Bengali.
Narendron.
भाई तू एक काम कर, तू धोने का ही नाम ले ले. ये नाम तो मत ले.
फेक नाम के लिए इतना डेंजरस नाम क्यों चुना आपने? रमेश is fine.
Then I go on stage, ठीक है, and I know this is a shitty joke, okay, so I'm not doing it. 15 मिनट हो गए, like I realized कि stage से भी नहीं हो रहा है, मेरे को नीचे, I walked off the stage and I'm talking to people and it's going well, बड़े से screen पे आ रहा है. 15-20 मिनट I have not done that joke and I'm supposed to do 30 minutes. 15-17 minutes and I'm talking to the crowd and there's a drone that comes up and just stays on top of my head and is not leaving. He sent the drone to remind me of the joke. And I'm still not doing the joke. And the drone doesn't go away. और वो घर्र कर. Finally, I had to give up and I did this joke. And it fell flat and the drone left.
My takeout is there was a drone in 2013.
This guy had props for his joke, right?
Dude, he turned you into a prop comic, bro.
It's called backup. His insurance policy.
मतलब एक तो ये है ना कि अब मैं क्या करूं, अब तो मेरे सिर पे लिटरली यहाँ है. I had to do the joke. Like his commitment to that joke was so high.
भाई ये जो एक CEO and MD की worship जो होती है ना, एक, this is the main reason I stopped doing corporate shows. It's the main reason. I was like, this just seems so. मैं पढ़ लिख के बड़ा इसलिए नहीं हुआ था.
Yeah.
ठीक है? You guys are just being everyone can see it. You're brown nosing. Why the hell are you doing this? पर नहीं बाज आते लोग.
No,
वो करते
then
रहते.
I got a LinkedIn account, so then I didn't need to go watch it live.
But also the woman is very different because sometimes, they just expect some jokes mujra. Right. So then it's not like somehow in their head it's not
Jokes mujra.
assimilating. And so once
It's
I
like
was,
joke and then done.
Yeah. Like they're like, oh my God, she's just in a dress and she's just cracking jokes. मतलब
Yeah,
और
like-
कुछ नहीं है क्या?
हाँ.
So then once I was taken by the guy, so you must speak to my boss. I said, but why must I? Right. No, because he's my boss. But my bonus doesn't depend on your boss.
Not my boss.
You go up and speak to him.
Yeah.
But
But
just,
it's
yeah.
usually considered to be good hygiene or other good practice to make fun of the boss first.
हाँ.
Because if boss laughs, it's signal to everybody that it's okay to laugh.
हाँ.
That's why you wanna go in and make fun of the boss first, get it out of the way. And then everyone's like, boss has to
It's a dangerous strategy though. Because the boss is
Yes.
under pressure to laugh because you have to in
Yes.
front of your team.
Yes.
But in case the boss does not get it and doesn't laugh, then you have turned the whole crowd against you for very long.
Did you have any corporate strategies, which is like, this was one of mine, which is to make fun of boss first and like address the elephant in the room. But what was your like corporate show bits?
I have one bit about corporate which I do in the beginning where I make fun of every department. So once you've done that, there everybody laughs. Then you get into your set, then it works. The acceptance rate thoda sa better hota hai.
Got it.
Second thing I would do is I would like whatever industry I'm doing it for, I'll do a few jokes about that industry. के 2-4 jokes. If I'm going to banks, so then I always do a few jokes कि मुझे पता नहीं मैं अपने टारगेट पूरे करने के लिए कमा रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारे टारगेट. बैंक में जाता हूँ तो एक लॉकर यूज करो तो 2 म्यूचुअल फंड भेज देते हैं मेरे को पता नहीं क्या करें. So you do a few of those, then they're like, हाँ, he understands our business. Then
I had one, I would always, in the first 3-4 minutes, I'd make fun of HR, which somehow seems to unite
Yes.
the entire
Yeah.
workforce.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but it unites the entire workforce. One of the things I did once was, I was doing an HSBC show for 10,000 people. There were like 10,000 people. Like बड़ा सा arena कुछ type था. उसमें मैंने जाके एक मेरा पुराना क्रेडिट कार्ड था किसी और बैंक का, मैंने अपनी जेब से निकाला और उसको स्टेज पे लाइव काट दिया मैंने.
oh wow.
पागल हो गए सब. महक पड़ गया सब. मैंने कहा I'm such a believer in your product कि I only use your cards. In fact, 1 मिनट, I think किसी और बैंक का एक कार्ड है मेरे पास. निकाला मैंने कहा ये I like live and the cameras and the big screens and all. They
too good.
went nuts. मैं 4-5 अपने कपड़े उतार दिए. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा था वहाँ पे.
I have never had more respect for you. It's too good, this story.
Brilliant.
It's too
This is
good.
brilliant. मतलब
Should be a scene from a movie, actually.
Yeah. This man's dedication to this corporate show.
I mean, what they didn't know was it was an expired card which I had to cut and throw anyway. So, right?
By Taj Epicure.
It was, in the olden days, they said, your credit card is expired. Please cut it into 4 pieces with a pair of scissors and dispose of it. So, yeah, I did that.
but the toughest are the dealer meets.
Yeah.
Dealer meets are like
भाई मैंने एक हमने किया था, मैं बताता हूँ, ठीक है. एक डीलर मीट किया था हमने मरीना बे सैंड्स में, क्योंकि दैट टाइम दैट यूज्ड टू बी द बिगेस्ट. उसमें इतना लंबा शो था कि उसके 3 प्रेजेंटर बुलाए थे उन्होंने, रोशन अब्बास, मनीष पॉल और मैं.
oh wow.
ठीक है, तो तीनों अलग अलग कुछ टाइप के डेमोग्राफिक टाइप के बुला रखे.
Dude, no other events were happening that day. If all 3 of you were there, then who's hosting everything
We
else?
were all in Singapore.
That's crazy. Abhish Matthew had to do 5 shows that day. That's crazy.
We had, that show was 5.5 hours.
Oh wow.
Dealer meet. They were all about 70-75 years old, and they decided that they want to give an award to everybody in that room. There were people who were sitting, you know how big Marina Bay Sands का conference room is, right? But it ends in Kuala Lumpur, right? अब आप पीछे से किसी को बुला रहे हो तो वो आ रहे हैं. और हमारे जमशेदपुर के डीलर आइए सर. अभी तक वो उठे नहीं है कुर्सी से. अब वो उठ रहे हैं. अब उनको 100 फुट की वॉक करनी है. जब वो 40 फुट जाते हैं, MD says, please call her his missus also. अरे सर, आप फैमिली के नाम कुछ नहीं है. आप कैसे? अब उनकी मिसेस वो उठ गए. मैं खड़ा हूँ रोशन के साइड पे. बाय आवर 4 मैंने कहा भाई फ्लाइट चेंज करा दूं, कल तक नहीं पहुंचना. See, I never use those mics because I know that in between I want to do all this bakchodi and I'm going to get into trouble. And Roshan is so proper and everything, and he uses that mic. So I would just say, भाई फ्लाइट चेंज करा दो, नहीं पहुंच पाएगा. कल ही आएगी.
Oh my God, no!
He's like,
No!
he's having to be all proper and stuff.
तो जब तक जमशेदपुर वाले आते हैं यहाँ तक पहुंचेंगे
कोई बड़ौदा वाले आ जाओ।
कॉमेडी एक्ट
भाई ये मतलब and it's the thing is that they're all like they all become memories, right? Have you ever done a show for zero audience?
Zero, no.
हाँ नहीं, for zero audience, like doing a live
How
show
can that
with
be a
zero.
show?
Then it's not.
So I'll tell you. हम लोग हम सब ने अपना करियर जो मेरे विंटेज के हैं सब ने अपना करियर ऑटो एक्सपो से सब एवरी इट्स लाइक टाइम स्क्वायर ना, यू हैव टू गो वाया ऑटो एक्सपो, राइट? यू हैव टू हैव डन समथिंग इन ऑटो एक्सपो। तो मैंने बड़ा ही साल ऑटो एक्सपो किया था। एक साल मैंने बाइक बेची थी, हमने बाइक लॉन्च करी थी। तो बाइक में पीछे डांसर्स थे हु वुड लॉन्च द बाइक, जिनमें से एक डांसर थी मिस मालिनी, राइट?
Shut up, really?
हमारी she is a proper trained dancer with one
That's
of the
crazy.
dance troupes over there. We are friends since then, like late 90s. So she was one of the dancers there and was launching like Yamaha RX100, right? So whatever, she's there. The next time I had already come on Channel V, so I was the slightly thoda mera darja बढ़ गया था. But Roshan and I used to work a lot in his company Encompass. So they had called for the launch of Toyota Qualis. You guys will have to Google the Qualis because it doesn't exist anymore.
Oh,
Right?
I love that car.
How can you? It's not even a car. It's just some pieces of steel that were welded
But
together.
it was fantastic.
Hey man, our cops use those cars,
Qualis.
okay?
No,
Beautiful cars. Yeah.
I mean, they used to run for like 10 lakh kilometers.
yeah.
You could drive it to the moon and back and it
Yes,
would be fine.
yes.
So the Qualis was being launched. Now the Japanese, अब अपना क्या है, अपना थोड़ा सा दिल्ली का इंडियन स्ट्रेचेबल टाइम है, ठीक है? रोशन ने पहले दिन कहता सुन कमीने टाइम पे आई हो, ये जापानीज लोग हैं, ठीक है? तो ये टाइम चल ठीक है, एक दो दिन स्ट्रगल किया और पहुंच गए। सुबह शो होता था 10 से 12 के बीच में, business hours. Business hours means that people are allowed to come near the car. After 2 o'clock, it's all bhed bakri, na? Bhed chal and all. Everyone's coming to just collect pamphlets of the cars and all. You got velvet ropes. You can't touch the car and all of that. So they said in the morning, we're going to start. The first show is at, I'm really stopping myself doing the Japanese accent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good call.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the first one has to be at 10:06, then 10:22. And it was a little module where we had to enact the Qualis being launched. And Qualis was a child, and Qualis grew up now, and Qualis has become. Oh
my God, really?
Like a Darwin.
Qualis is a human being.
Yeah.
It has morphed into a car. So this was Transformers before Transformers, right? It was way ahead of its time. Anyway, so we're doing all of this, and I have to launch the show. I have to start it, and he comes. They say 10:06 it has to start. I look outside in those big stalls. No one there. Zero. Like no one. Gates are not open. People have not come. So I turned to the show director and I said, "Bhai, koi aa jaye to start kariye." The Japanese there. No, but 10:06 means 10:06. It does not mean 10:07. It does not mean 10:05. It's 10:06. We have to start the show.
Wow.
So.
College is a teenager already.
Yeah. So at 10:06, I have gone onto the stage with nobody in that pavilion.
Oh.
There is no one, and I have to pretend to address people.
Oh, that's too funny.
I'm addressing people. So then some of the dancers, right? Some of the choreography troupe, 2-3 of them just came out in front and started, because I have a full 5-7 minute piece in the beginning, which I have to enact. It's like a one-man play. So I have to enact this before somebody comes on stage. And then people came on stage. And when you're 4-5, na, to ho jata hai. Then you just perform for each other. But standing alone there looking at that, I was just questioning my life, questioning
Theory of
my choice.
evolution performed by Gaurav
After
Kapoor.
2 minutes, they felt bad. So some people from backstage came and then, yeah. So I've performed for the show with no people also.
So where are you from?
Yeah.
Aurangabad. That's interesting.
But for trade shows, I was once told by an event girl, very straight face, she looked at me, she said, see, I can't call you for trade shows because you're a little classy and all. So I can't put you in a dress with a plunging neckline and say, go flirt with that dealer. So I said, sorry? Yeah, so how to call you? Okay. And then she
Fair. I
Yeah.
think she, yeah.
hit the nail on the head.
Yeah, fair.
And I've been unemployed since.
Yeah.
मेरे को एक बार
What is the reverse of negging? That's what she did to you. See? too good for this. Yeah.
The compliment is the insult.
Insult,
The
yeah,
insult
yeah.
is the compliment.
That's
Yeah.
like how many times have you broken up with somebody saying that? It's not you.
It's me.
How many Rakhis are you wearing this year?
You're too good for me. You're too good.
मेरे को तो एक बार किसी ने बुक किया था 7 दिन के लिए एंड इन ये जो एम्बी वैली एंड दे हैड डीलर्स कमिंग एवरी डे,
ठीक है, तो वो होता है ना, एक तो होता है कि आपकी एक दिन बेइज्जती हुई,
7
अब
days
मैं
a big
7
commitment.
दिन के पैसे ले चुका हूँ. पहले दिन लाइक डीलर्स हैं, दे डोंट वांट टू लिसन, एंड एवरी डे देयर डिफरेंट एरियाज की, आज बिहार यूपी के आ रहे हैं, आज ये वाले आ रहे हैं, बट एवरीबडी वांट्स टू टॉक टू द एमसी ओनली, यू नो, दैट्स ऑल दैट दे वांट टू डू. एंड पहले दिन मैं स्टेज पे गया, 15 मिनट इतना गंदा बॉम्ब हुआ. Like everybody was giving, so that's what happens when comedian bombs. Everybody comes in and tells you, अरे ये वाला जोक नहीं करना था. मैं आपको बताता हूँ
Everyone's an
क्या
expert.
किया. हाँ. Second day I bombed. Third day I told him, बाकी के पैसे वापस ले ले यार. मुझे जाने दे.
हाँ कर दे मुझे.
हाँ. I was, because it's one, you are alone, you know, in
It's too
Ambi
bad.
Valley for 7 days. मैंने Game of Thrones मेरे ख्याल 4 या 5 सीजन देखे हैं वो 7 दिन के.
Also, it's a spooky place.
Happy Valley.
बहुत अजीब
हाँ.
vibe है वहाँ पे.
Do you ever bomb anymore, Amit?
Yes, once in a while. ये corporate shows में तो हो जाएगा once in a while. But now you know what to do, you know. अब ये है कि one, you are in a space where you can throw your weight around and say कि unless everything is closed,
Yeah.
drinks and everything is not closed, I'm not getting on stage.
Unless there's a lock outside the door and everyone is like trapped inside, I'm not gonna.
But still there will be events where people, you know, would, you know, अब वो सारे ही बिखर गए हैं तो क्या होगा, क्या कर लोगे तुम. फिर उसमें है कि 10-15 मिनट में उतर जाओ कि भैया तुमने मुझे वो दिया नहीं है पूरा सेटअप, तो मैं इतना ही करूँगा. बट आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट. लाइक आई वॉज फॉर सम कार लॉन्च एंड आई डिड, like I went on stage, और Delhi है, so people are standing in the back. So I started my show by going back and I made sure that everybody sat down. Let's say, oh, Sardarji in a pink shirt, can you please sit down? Can you? I'll keep on calling you guys till you all sit down. So I took that 10 minutes extra just to ensure that they sat down before I started my show.
Fully
Can you
worth it.
imagine for the audience who was actually sitting how boring those 10 minutes would have been?
Yeah.
Who are sitting saying, pink shirt. सब कौन है यार? कुछ ये show क्यों नहीं शुरू हो रहा है यार?
But the problem is, as a comedian, you know, if somebody's talking in the back, it will bother you and the audience also.
Correct.
Yeah.
There are 150 people who want to listen, but there are
Yeah.
20 in the back who don't want to listen.
No, it's such an irritating gig because everything matters so much. Like how many people are in the room, acoustics of the room, who do you go up after? Because comedians cannot blend into the room. Like musicians, if there's not people listening, the song just kind of blends in as the general background score of the evening.
Absolutely.
And it works out fine. This is why towards the end of like when I used to do corporate shows, I started doing a music set. Where I actually just start doing like 25 minutes of music because it just never, who knows if I'm bombing or if it's just a nice song. You don't know. You don't know if I'm bombing. I'm singing for you and that's fine. Because there's guarantee applause break at end of song. There's guarantee people will be like, it's polite applause.
And the music can drown out the
Exactly.
noise.
Yeah.
Which
If there's
stand-up
a musician that you don't like, you ignore them at worst. If there's a comedian you don't like, you are paying attention to them and you are actively sending bad
Bad
vibes,
juju, yeah.
bad juju towards
Yeah.
them, saying, I do not like you. Why are you talking? It's in your voice. Yeah, it's really bad.
I want you in the in memoriam section.
I wish you were in the memoriam.
एक बार मैंने डायमंड ट्रेडर्स एसोसिएशन के लिए करा था, जिनमें आधे जानते हैं तो वो बैठे हुए हैं. दे वांट, बट देयर पीपल हु आर स्टैंडिंग इन द बैक एंड दीस आर मारवाड़ीज एंड यू नो गुजरातीज, जैनीज, एवरीबॉडी हु इज यू नो डायमंड ट्रेडर्स.
Yeah.
सो आई वेंट ऑन स्टेज एंड आई स्टार्टेड विद कि जो लोग स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी बैठ के नहीं देखते उनका धनतेरस बहुत खराब जाता है.
That's great.
ओ
That's too good.
एवरीबॉडी
Risk नहीं लेना भाई. लेट जाओ.
That's too good.
Does it happen? Does it ever play on your mind on stage like you're doing a show and you know that this is just मतलब ये मर चुका है, ये लाश है, अब ये शो अब लाश है, इसको कुछ नहीं, आप रिवाइव नहीं कर सकते. पर ठीक है, चेक आ गया है, चेक आ गया है, चेक आ गया है. Does that happen?
a lot of times.
Yeah.
It's happened a lot of times where you know कि ये मतलब एडवांस पेमेंट आ चुकी है, अब मुझे स्टेज पे जाके बस मतलब you start and you can see the faces कि ये 8 घंटे से बैठे हैं, 6 घंटे से बैठे हैं. इनको वेट है कि 15 मिनट में खाना खुल जाए, 20 मिनट में ड्रिंक्स खुल जाए. So you go on stage and you do your 15 minutes, promise 15 minutes, 20 minutes and you get off.
Yeah.
The worst thing is because I sometimes have to host and do stand up. And so once I had an international audience in Dubai. So people are coming from all over the world. Ultimately, they just want to chat with each other. They're not interested in what you're saying on stage. And the entertainment is essentially a Broadway musical songs, but in bursts. And these idiot musical people need like 20 minutes to change.
Yes.
From, the costume changes. And I am the effing filler. Right. Now, no one wants to listen to you. Then you're going and chatting with people and you know you're dying. Like, there's nothing. And every time someone's coming to your ear and say, don't joke about this, the CEO won't like it. Don't joke about it. Don't mention this name. I say, what is left? Can I breathe? Right?
Yeah.
So then, ultimately, I was going chatting with people. And this one guy just looked at me and said, what happened to you? I used to really like you.
Oh my God.
I swear to you.
Damn.
For
That's
about
so
2 years,
personal.
I remembered his name, and like his name used to be on my dartboard, and I used to just keep doing that.
My funniest story of a event I've just suddenly remembered because it was the same event we were in Marina Bay Sands where Vishal and Shekhar were also performing. And Vishal और मैं बैठे थे चाय पी रहे थे क्योंकि वो भी कसिनो नहीं जाता मैं भी नहीं जाता और शेखर तो पक्का सिंधी है तो वो उधर ही था कसिनो में ठीक है तो फिर विशाल और मैं बैठे तो विशाल और मैं काफी गप्पे मार रहे थे फिर उसने बताया एक बारी मैंने उसको ऐसी स्टोरी बताई थी कि एक बारी मैं शो कर रहा था कि कोई नहीं था ऑडियंस में ही सेड हमने भी एक शादी करी थी ऐसी He says हम दिल्ली शादी कर रहे हैं और everything is delayed. So they are going on stage at like some 2 o'clock in the morning, right? So 2 in the morning they've gone on stage. There are 3 kids on the dance floor who are sliding वो slidey हो जाते हैं ना winter में दिल्ली का तो आगे वो ऐसे skating कर रहे हैं 4 बुजुर्ग चाचा बैठे हैं 6 लोग सोए हुए हैं कोई खाने की वेट कर रहा है मतलब खत्म हो चुका है ये कह रहा है he says I performed 3 songs after which I said, dude, I turned to Shekhar and he says, I'm very righteous and also I turned to him and I said, यार, छोड़ इनके पैसे वापस कर देंगे, चल. He says, so Shekhar comes up to me because Shekhar's very like, he's money पक्का है वो बिल्कुल.
सिंधी आदमी हाँ.
Sindhi आदमी. Shekhar comes up to him. He says, Vishal was building a farmhouse that time in Pavna. So after every song, he would come to him behind him, Pavna, Pavna. He'd go back. He says, मैंने सारे 15 गाने गाए मैंने पूरा अपना सेट खत्म किया तो चाहिए होती है कभी-कभी मोटिवेशन
उसकी आंखों में बातें चिल्ला रहा है full enthu में.
But Neha Dubia wants a very cute thing. There's someone who's giving us some grief about some movies she had done. And she said, but it's okay, I built my house in Goa, so I'm fine.
Yeah, Neha is fun like that.
यार चिट्स उठा लेते हैं हम आधा घंटा पौना घंटा हम बिना चिट्स के बारे में बात करते रहे जबकि
चिट फंड
सो
पहले एमबी वैली की बात करी अब चिट फंड हाँ समझ गए
Shit अच्छा इसमें सवाल है क्या?
कॉमेडियन होना चाहिए था मतलब स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन रिकॉल और वो तुम्हारे अच्छे हैं
अच्छा बहुत बड़ा
Call back.
Call back, Amit, that's the term. you're
Call
looking
back.
for.
Call
back.
What did he say?
No.
Recall.
Recall.
Yeah.
Amit says call back when he literally wants someone to call him back. Like it's a call back. What is it?
Oh, yeah, this is amazing because this chit is actually a callback. It's a question I've answered already. Is this Jeopardy? Like strangest setting you've had to perform in?
I remember that Cardinal Bengan show in Singapore because you have to give your requirements. And here we're in a country of jugaad. Nah? Like you don't think a lot of things are stressful, but we just said, listen, we feel the stage is a bit dark. Can we just get one more light here? It was panic central because they're like, but that was not, you said 5 lights, we have 5 lights. Now you want a 6th light? You know? And so then while they were organizing the 6th light, Veer Das had gone to buy a guitar. He wanted a guitar because we were in this mall. So he told the salesperson, look, my budget is $1,500, right? So then he looked at one guitar and he's like, how much is that? She said, off budget. So he's like, no, that's okay, but how much is it? No, it's out of budget. So he's like, actually, just how much? It's 1,505.
Oh my God. Oh. That's great.
Like that level of exactitude.
So basically, I just want to say that Anu's not racist. She didn't compare Singapore to Japan.
No.
She knows they're two different places.
Oh, that was really good Singaporean accent.
Yeah, that was very good.
Was it a first?
Say it again with a la in the end. Just
It's out of budget lah.
That's very good.
That's very good.
That's very good. हम दोनों को जूते पड़ेंगे. You will be like method acting. इतना अच्छा किया.
That was very good.
But weirdest setup.
Jewelry show. Me and Khamba are doing. So our sets are already blasphemous. Only old ladies in the audience. and they were eating dinner while it was happening. So I've never had a punchline being interrupted. You know how sometimes old ladies will clear their throat after eating dinner? So have you ever had a punchline interrupted by, ah! ah! Ah!
What were the
Violent burping. Very bad. It was like me and Khamma were halfway through just giggling to ourselves, being like, please, Dadi ji, not right now. There's a very dark joke coming up. Please, everyone, clutch your heart. It was very bad. It was very bad. To have like people help people get out of the room. I understand if during comedy people just walk away. But here they can't even they need help to walk away. It's not good. That was, I think, the worst one.
My weirdest was, I think, Tihar Jail. And
I like that we just threw that in very calmly.
I actually told this story too. But it was me, Zakir, and Bharti Singh. We were
You guys
I know
were
this story.
performing.
I know this story.
performance. And it was like 1,000-1,500 log, and they, पहले तो हमें वही था कि हम इनको सुनाएं क्या, क्योंकि like none of your setups would resonate with these people.
कभी कभी आप रेस्टोरेंट जाते हो पता है ओ नो क्या ओके you don't know what
Was it air? Oh.
So, but then there were people who ensured that they laugh. So तब हमें मतलब हम 10 मिनट
जेलर खड़ा है पीछे हंसाओ
अरे नहीं पता है क्या था, तो देयर इज तो पुलिस तो अंदर जितनी है वो तमिलनाडु cadre है, so the prisoners and the policemen can't even talk to each other. But then they have these जो दफा 302 और वो वाले होते हैं, वो सफेद कुर्ते में थे, and we actually saw them slapping some of these guys in the beginning के बड़े तरीके. So because there was media, so they were told कि हंसना भाई. So
how do you do relatable material today? जेब कतरे क्या होते हैं नहीं सबसे लेम नहीं होते जेब कतरे, like what are you supposed to say to them?
because मेरे बहुत सारे जोक्स सब हस्बैंड वाइफ थे, बट उन जोक्स में वाइफ इज डोमिनेंट. इनकी अगर वाइफ डोमिनेंट थी तो अब दफन है.
No, but that's why they're in jail, because the wife was dominant.
You could have done like relatable material ना. Murder में कितना मजा आता है ना.
What is
Shit,
up
I
with
didn't know
guns?
that all the jailers are actually from Tamil Nadu. It makes sense because Rajnikant in Jailer was stationed in Bombay, and he's
Oh my
Tamilian. It's based on reality.
Oh. Was there a stand-up comedy scene in there?
No.
That edited out.
What all kind of shows have you been a part of? Corporate, college shows, weddings? Yeah, what are the have you ever done shows inside someone's house?
हाँ.
I have. Yeah.
Yeah, 10, 12 people. I've done shows inside
drawing
people's
room.
houses, drawing room.
हाँ.
Back in the day, like one of the earliest shows. Drawing room किया मैंने.
But I had fun shows there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, lot of fun doing a drawing room show.
Yeah.
Because there are 10 people, but they are all listening.
They're all listening.
My simple philosophy is कि अगर 5 लोग भी हैं पर सुन रहे हैं तो बढ़िया होगा.
तो मजा आएगा हाँ.
हाँ. So I've done that in Ludhiana in some show, somebody's home, and they had put up the speakers, but I'm like तुम सामने बैठे हो.
हाँ क्या speaker?
माइक सिर्फ मैंने हाथ में फील के लिए पकड़ा है, एंड बट करे हुए हैं उसमें. मजा आता है उसमें.
हाँ और 10-12 लोग हैं तो उसमें चकना पास भी होता है आपको सेट के बीच में कि आप दो आगे आप कंटिन्यू करते हो. It's cute,
My thing
actually.
is always, should I ask for a mic or not? Because there are 30 people in the living room. Like, do we really need it?
But birthday party, I clearly remember, I was a radio jockey in Delhi. And अपना मिशन, अब 17 साल के थे, अपना मिशन होता था कि थोड़ा सा कैश मिल जाए कि दारू पीने को मिल जाए बस. ठीक है कि ठेके पे जाके गर्मी में नहीं बैठेंगे एयरपोर्ट के साइड पे कि इतने पैसे हैं किसी रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर जाके ठाट से बोलेंगे लार्ज लेके लॉन्ग आइलैंड आइस टी दो हैप्पी आवर्स में TGIF में.
Haywards 5,000.
Hayward 5,000 एक पी के फिर उसके बाद खत्म, बंदा अगले दिन उठा. So they used to, we had a sound engineer called PK Sharma. PK da बहुत मजेदार आदमी थे. And the radio jockeys at that time were, there was me, there was Rishi Kannan, Rishi K. There was Gaurav Raina, who is one half of Medieval Pandits.
Oh.
Right? He used to DJ those birthday parties. They used to happen in कॉलोनी का गार्डन होता है ना बीच में जहाँ पे टेंट लगाते उसका सेटअप होता था. पीके दा यूज्ड टू अरेंज ऑल दीस थिंग्स. पता नहीं कहाँ से उनको आज कीर्ति नगर में है ठीक है तो हम लोग जाते थे and we are standing and I saying और अब टिंकू के पापा आएंगे केक काटने के लिए एंड
Wow.
टिंकू would come, papa would come and Gaurav Raina is playing music. ठीक है, happy birthday to you and he's playing all the greatest Bollywood hits of that time. We're talking late 90s, pre-Channel V. And this would happen and I would get 1,000 rupees in cash. Gaurav Raina would get some money and at one time when I realized कि अब ये show मैं और नहीं कर सकता because some dada of the kid or something came, did 100 rupees on the thing and put it on the DJ console.
That's too good.
I'm like, पीके था बस यार अब नहीं कर सकता मैं ठीक है अब हो गया ये
But it makes me imagine that, like, if medieval pundits also had to do this, like, at some point, Rahman was also doing shitty corporate shows.
of course
At
he was.
some point,
He was doing ad jingles.
Dude, at some point he was playing a Jagrata or something.
yeah,
right?
at some point, the greatest artists in India
हाँ.
have done some pretty shitty shows. That makes me feel not that bad, actually.
But I like when stereotypes work out because once in Ludhiana, they said, please have a glass of wine before the show. I said, no, I don't drink before a show, but I'll join you for a glass of wine. No, you must. And then you're not also, you're a lily-livered South Indian, you realize, in a room full of Punjabis, right? So then I had to have like a little bit of wine before I went on stage. And then after that, they said, come, will you take some photos? I said, yeah, sure. And they kept asking me, what do you want for the show? I said, I just need a mic. And like, I don't need anything. They kept saying, you don't need a makeup artist. You don't need a makeup artist. And I was like, no, I'll just do my own makeup and come. And then I went for the show and I realized all the ladies there had got their makeup professionally done and come to watch me. And I, like a chunt, had done my own makeup. I looked like some Sadhgi ki murti on stage. And then post the show, they were like, pose for some photos. We were like, yeah, okay. And then they had like a lot of like BDSM stuff, like props just laid out. Okay, these chicks. And this one lady said, can you just put on these bunny ears, bend down, and I'll hold a whip. I was like, madam, I don't even allow this with my husband.
Did you not tell her? I think you meant to call Amit Tandon. Call the wrong person.
Jesus.
This
I
was
think
at
Punjab
home.
has lived up to its hype.
But I can guarantee you that Atul Khatri has done a show like this. 100%. Bunny ears, bend down, sure. No, keep them.
What is up with these Punjabi aunties nowadays, yeah?
That's a very good impression.
I keep telling them, what is up with the bunnies?
मुझे कहानी याद आई थी भूल गया लिख लेना एक पेन पेपर दे दिया
How is your experience performing with other artists versus performing alone?
I mean, other artists are always better. The shared trauma is always better.
हाँ एक कंधा रोने के लिए हो तो
Yeah. I think like a lot of my musician friends like have been from the corporate days era. Like I know me and Benny Dayal, I would see Benny a lot at shows during the corporate era. I would know his set inside out. I would know like, all right, Badtameez Dil is coming up next, you guys.
Yeah.
Like, I would know. Yeah, other artists, yeah.
We used to do a lot of them for Channel V because we used to have Channel V road shows. VJ episode. So I'll tell the IPL thing now because the funniest thing happens once is that we're doing an opening. I think it was the Chennai, it was the opening ceremony and I was hosting it and there was a lot of performers. And the IPL opening ceremony, of course, is grand and so many performers. And I've just, this is, I think way back, 10 years back, let's say. And they called me, they said, just come up and do your mic check and everything. And it's a bunch of, there's like 15, 20 makeup vans standing behind backstage. And it's all jammed, the area's all jammed. And everyone's kind of standing outside, hanging, whatever. I open my door and I take a step down. And suddenly I have become the fourth in a foursome. Right? There were 3 people talking. And I've just suddenly become, I don't know why they were outside that van. There was just, it was very packed. And I've just come and now we're 4 of us. The other 3 people are Salman Bhai and colonial cousins. Leslie
Oddest
and Hariharan
combination.
and Salman and me and the 4 of us are just standing there and I've not been invited to this conversation. I just happened to walk into it. And there's no conversation. Everyone's just silent. It's like, hi, hi.
और शेरा कैसा है
Salman and colonial cousins.
We were standing.
Hariharan and Himala.
And he's like, hi.
Oh,
Hi.
Kai Sala.
Hi.
Kai Pauna.
Hi.
Kai Sala.
And there's just silence. And it's like he was smoking a cigarette. I think he finished. It's like, all right, guys.
Good chat.
But those are awkward bits. But otherwise, it's great fun when you're doing a big show like that and there's like 20 performers. भाई दोपहर में अलाउड नहीं है, तुम्हें पता है, सोसाइटी का सर्कुलर नहीं पढ़ा क्या तुमने? There's 20 artists behind, because then it's like it's a party. It's a party that's happening. Nobody cares what's happening on stage. You can have a lot more fun. Those kind of things you remember.
The comedy festivals are great that way. I look forward to the
Yeah.
comedy festivals because the green room is way more fun than the stage.
Yeah.
It's way more fun. और वो जो रात को जो पार्टी होती है जो अगले दिन सुबह तक चलती है दारू पी के, वो जो मजा है वो अलग है. बाकी वो बेइज्जती वाले शोज में यू मतलब if you have somebody else कि हाँ तू भी हुआ ना बेइज्जत.
But that's why I like theatre also. That's why I always do one new play a year, because it's that, you know, that camaraderie that you don't get with doing stand-up, right? Because you're traveling like a little gypsy family to other shows. You know you're getting no money. So you know you're doing it for the sheer love of it.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
As in theatre, there's no competition or this one's better because there is no money.
There's no parking in Prithvi. There's no room for parking. Who needs it?
I remember I did a show for 2 people, like recently, very recently, for some industrialist and his son. Very shitty show. I knew, like, I walked in and it was going to be a shitty show.
But you knew
So-
there were only going to be 2 people.
Haan.
Oh.
Then I saw Archana Panya, she was the RJ. She was hosting, so I was like, yeah, I know. Like, मेरा
Share
तो,
the pain.
हाँ, मेरी तो 5 मिनट की बेइज्जती है, तू तो host कर रही है.
Hosting a show for 2 people.
2 people.
हाँ. And
Wow.
then
This
I
is
felt
throwaway money.
even
Yeah,
This
better.
would have been an email. Yeah.
Even better because when I walked off, Palash Sen walked on the stage.
Oh.
मैं अकेला नहीं बेइज्जत हो रहा आज.
सब बिक चुके हैं. सब बिक चुके हो.
दुनिया पर आई छोड़ के
मेरे को एक बार किसी ने बुलाया था एक शो के लिए. दिस साइड के हमारे घर ये आईपीएल का फाइनल हो रहा है और हम एक इवेंट कर रहे हैं अपने घर पे. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा फाइनल के बाद नहीं, फाइनल के दौरान. मैंने कहा फाइनल के दौरान मतलब इसे वी आर डूइंग अ effectively 7-8 years ago it was a watch along. So they said we want you to come and just talk about the game while it's happening. I said but there are people on air who are talking about the game while it's happening. It's called commentary. They said no, but we want you and somebody with you, maybe Ajay Jadeja and you will just come and do a live and then you can do extra innings in the middle of the 2 innings. I said but we are doing it on air. You can just turn the volume up. Right? In that time, why do we have to come?
That's crazy.
So I just said no. But they called every year for 4 years.
That's crazy.
Till they finally got
Like
the
they
hint.
want to see you do your thing.
Just
In
live,
the
like
drawing
in
Yeah.
front.
Like,
Yeah, in the
like I
drawing
was
room,
my
yeah.
life for 10 years, bro, has
Yeah.
been saying come and roast out of me
Yeah.
at my wedding, at my birthday, at my son's thing, at my this one's thing.
तेरी बात में लॉजिक है पर हमारे पास पैसे बहुत ज्यादा हैं.
Saying that's fine, you are fine, but here paycheck.
My porn star name is Extra Innings.
Any live gigs that you didn't get paid for?
Name and shame.
I can't name, but I still have 15,000 rupees pending from a very wealthy person who, it's very embarrassing to keep bumping into this person. I can't even, like, now it's going to
I don't know
can't say
why
anything.
Mr. Money just won't pay you. Man. It's kind of crazy. Just pay him,
Yeah.
Mukesh.
But it's just, you know, suddenly now you start, now if anyone says anything nice about that, I can't handle it. I'll be like, no, he sucks. He's a douche. He owes me 15,000
वो
bucks.
बेचारा 15 लाख रुपए पीआर पे खर्च रहा, उसको ये नहीं पता उसे 15,000 नहीं दे के कितना नेगेटिव पीआर हो गया
Because
उसका.
it was a thing, no? Like we all, like I knew him from before. So he's like, oh, you know, this is pending. I'll give it to you after the show. So I said, yeah, sure, because the rest of it came. But now it's become, oh my God, it was just 15,000. Like, what is up with you?
मेरे-
So when he broke up with his girlfriend, some high-profile girl, I was so happy. You deserve it.
नहीं मेरे को तो वो ऑड लगता है. एक बंदे के पास अटके थे पैसे काफी टाइम, 1.5 साल बाद दिए थे उसने. ही इज इन द मीडिया इंडस्ट्री, पब्लिशिंग में है एंड रोज कोई ना कोई
अरुण
मोटिवेशनल वीडियो नहीं कोई ना
हम
कोई
अभी भी सोच रहे हैं who's the high profile person who's broken up with his girlfriend.
Yeah, high profile girlfriend.
Yeah. Was the girlfriend high profile or he's high profile? The relationship was high profile. भाई तेरी स्टोरी पे आएंगे एक मिनट.
ये मुझे पता लग रहा है.
Important day है.
हाँ.
15,000 रुपए का सवाल है ये.
भाई
सोहेल
देख
सेठ?
कोई पहले टेक में देखते हैं.
सोहेल सेठ?
No.
Was the girlfriend high profile?
Yeah, anyway.
You don't have to say yes or no.
Yeah.
We'll just do our own
Yeah,
guessing.
I think if payment is UPI-able, then it should be done.
No, now it's been so long. It's not like it, but it's just, it's one of those things.
It's just, you
So
just
now it's
remember
just awkward because we're like, and then we walk away.
2.5 लाख रुपए 2 या 2.5 लाख रुपए हैं जो नीलसन ने मुझे देने थे एक इवेंट के लिए जो कभी आए नहीं. सो आई जस्ट नेवर ट्रस्ट एनी सर्वे दे डू आफ्टर दैट.
Hey, you got paid from what was it called? The Laugh Club. No.
हाँ अरे वो तो
Phoenix?
4.5 लाख रुपए में अटके हुए हैं.
Oh, I feel better now. Mine was 1.5 lakh and I was feeling bad. Yeah,
अमर
अच्छा, ठीक
अग्रवाल.
है.
हाँ.
Okay.
That
Yeah.
we can name.
Yeah.
I think बहुत पैसा बहुत लोगों का अटका है उसमें.
Yeah.
But that's honestly that's the only money that I've lost and I don't really like feel too bad about it because Canvas did a lot for comedy
Yeah.
in India. So I'm like ठीक है वो चला गया मतलब मिल जाते तो अच्छा रहता but it's the money that I think कि ठीक है कैनवस ने बहुत कुछ करा इंडिया में मतलब स्टैंड अप के लिए मुझे लगता है कि जितना सीन बना है कैनवस के कारण आज भी किसी को मतलब अननोन कॉमिक्स वर गेटिंग 7,000 rupees per gig
correct.
which has not happened even now.
Yeah.
No, I don't think I've ever not gotten paid, but I have been paid half because I bombed a little bit. And I've done shows with other comics where it's been awkward, where they've literally given you cash, but they've not given the other comic as much as what they had promised. Because ऐसा मतलब हुआ है कि 3 punchline land हुए तो 3,000 रुपए ले ले और ऐसा वगैरह हुआ है. I've also been like the weirdest way to get paid is to get paid at the airport outside in cash. That's the weirdest. Like that's the most dirty you feel getting out of a Toyota and then getting cash like this and holding cash and going to the airport. It's very walk of shame. It's very bad.
और एक तो वहाँ गिनना भी तो वियर्ड हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ कैश मत दो यार. कैश एकदम ही अजीब लगता है.
अब तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है.
अब तो बिल्कुल अब कैश नहीं होता है.
अब नहीं होता.
Back in the day बहुत होता था.
पहले बहुत होता था यार. मेरे को याद है मैंने एक बार एक शो किया था. इट्स रियली वियर्ड यार. डिपार्टमेंट के लिए था. अब तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए मेरे को. तो उन्होंने कहा हम आपको शो के पहले का वेरी डिलीजेंट शो के पहले आपको कैश दे देंगे. तो मैं गया अपने कमरे में. मैंने कहा अच्छा सेफ में रख दूंगा और फिर चला जाऊंगा होटल रूम में गया. उन्होंने कैश दिया. मैंने कबर्ड खोला. सेफ ही नहीं है. ठीक है. मैंने कहा भाई कहाँ है? बिस्तर के नीचे, केटल के नीचे, बाथरूम के अंदर. सेफ ही नहीं था उस कमरे में. अच्छा होटल था वो. ताज का होटल था. सेफ नहीं था. तो मैंने फोन किया उनको. मैंने कहा भाई देखो मेरे कमरे में सेफ नहीं है. क्या बात करें सर? सेफ नहीं है. मुझे एक कमरा चेंज कर दो. मुझे सेफ चाहिए अपने कमरे में. सर विल जस्ट सॉर्ट इट आउट. ओके. थोड़ी देर बाद द ड्यूटी मैनेजर रिंग्स द डोरबेल. आई थॉट मैंने अपना बैग रख लिया था. दूसरे कमरे में ले जाएंगे. सो दरवाजा खोला. कहते सर देयर इज नो सेफ इन योर रूम. सर ओके आई हैव सॉर्टेड इट आउट. पीछे एक बंदा खड़ा है सेफ के साथ. कहते विल पुट दिस इन योर रूम. मैंने कहा पुट दिस इन माय रूम. मैं जाऊंगा शो के लिए. यू विल टेक इट फ्रॉम माय रूम आल्सो. ये क्या मजाक है? ये लो सर सेफ आपके कमरे. मैंने कहा इसके अच्छे तो मैं बिस्तर में छुपा दूंगा यार.
Most ridiculous demands you receive for a live show. I think did we cover this? Most ridiculous.
Yeah, I think Anu covered it with her bunny ears and bent over.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't even know how to top that.
Tanmay has been actually hoping for that demand in some show. It's not happened.
बनी कुछ नहीं है. नहीं करना है मुझे. I have had me and Rohan have co-hosted a show together. Like we've done an act together. Where it was right after the roast. It was like 6 months after the roast, and lawyer bills were piling up, and we had to do these shows. And they invited us on stage as those roast boys, and the picture, the background was us behind bars for the whole set. Wow. It was 30 minutes of me and Rohan in behind jail. Okay, so we just it became very useful because the awkwardness we just kept addressing it like what the have you guys done? Why have you put us behind bars for the whole one? That was a fun one. And that the weird request at that time was वही कि 10 मतलब everyone is like आके बस खिली उड़ाओ. आप बस करो ना. आप बस कर ही दो ना. The byproduct was that anytime we were actually being nasty to people because they're being assholes, they'd start. This is so funny that you're pissed off at me. This is so funny. Yeah, I think the weirdest one.
His live shows the primary source of income for you. I mean, now that would be telling. I mean, stop it.
Yes.
Not for me.
No,
Not for me.
I would say half and half.
But now I'm working on a funny motivational talk about weight loss.
Oh,
It's the new market I want to target. Dude, this motivational
Yeah.
talk industry
This is the zone.
is too good.
Yeah.
Because there's no pressure to make people laugh also. You can do
Because
it.
that's a bonus.
That's a bonus. Like, oh, if they laugh, it's like, oh shit.
Yeah.
That's also the motto of people who lose 100 kilos. Bonus.
Yeah. True that. So I recently met someone. There are a bunch of companies that specialize in the motivational speaking market, and I was like, I just want to know what the scene is. So one of the questions I had for this person was, yo, like if I do a stand-up show, I know if the show went well or no because people laughed.
Yeah.
How do I know someone's motivated? Like, what do I?
I'll know 6 months later.
Yeah. How do I know I did a good job motivating them? Like, how does this work? Then whatever. The answer wasn't that interesting. It was, oh, they just need to feel like they've been engaged.
But can I tell you, though, honestly, the good motivational talks that I've seen are actually the ones where people have laughed only. If something happens and there's cheering and there's it's maybe not just laughter, it's also cheering and applause. So wahi hai wo. It's that. Like I've done a few talks now because people call me to say, okay, cricket as a business, cricket and data being used in sports story in India. Some places, and Tanmay has also been a few, like, because we invest in companies, so you're called as an investor. What do you? So you do that, but again, in all those things, whether you're on stage as in whatever role you are, ultimately you need that applause. You need some people to cheer. You need
Correct.
some people to laugh. You create 5-6 of those moments.
It's done.
Everything in the middle is just connectivity.
Correct.
They only remember those stations. They don't remember the train tracks.
Correct.
आई थिंक मोटिवेशन ऑनेस्टली मैं देखा हूँ जितना मेरे को लगता है कि ये सिर्फ आज शाम तक चलने वाला है
Correct.
इसका कोई वो फर्क इनके काम पे नहीं पड़ेगा मतलब आई डोंट थिंक हाँ ये नहीं कि अगले 6 महीने प्रोडक्टिविटी इंप्रूव हो रही है वो सब मोटिवेशनल दैट वे आई फील इज लाइक द ओनली पीपल दैट आई वुड लाइक टू सी ऑन स्टेज इन मोटिवेशनल टॉक लार्जली इज ये जो प्योर मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर है ना जिन्होंने कुछ करा नहीं है और you know I don't sportsmen I think are the best people to call if you really want to call somebody who's seen a certain level of struggle and reach somewhere. Those are the only ones that I would be interested in most of the time.
पर उनकी भी, I'm sorry, you're right, पर उनकी भी कोई स्ट्रगल के बारे में इतना नहीं सुनना चाहता. वो कहानियां सुनना चाहते हैं. आपने सचिन के साथ बैटिंग करी, आपने मैं जैसे वीरू के साथ, वीरू एंड मी हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ शोज टुगेदर. सहवाग, he's वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑन स्टेज क्योंकि कोई फिल्टर नहीं है उसका, तो वो बता देता है. पर वो ये नहीं रोमांटिसाइज कर रहा कि मैं जब नजफगढ़ में था मैं ये कोई उसमें इंडियन आइडल टाइप का रोना नहीं है उसमें. वो कहानियां बताता है, मैंने उस अंपायर के साथ ये किया, मैंने उस बॉलर के साथ ये किया, एंड पीपल आर लाफिंग एंड दे लव इट. सो is it motivational? Is it comedy?
not
Is it
motivational.
entertainment? What is it, right?
बेस्ट मोटिवेशन तो बेइज्जती होती है मुझे लगता है.
I think आप कोई भी behind the scenes कहानी जब बताते हो ना कि लोगों ने आपको देखा है, जैसे ये
Correct,
भी अब हमने जब बताया है, लोगों ने हमको देखा है स्टेज पे, अब हमने कुछ पर्दा उठा के कुछ बताया कि पीछे क्या होता था. That's the thing that people, that's the
Want to know.
insight that people want to know.
There was once a celebrity, so I think in Comedy Cellar or somewhere in LA, I can't remember. There was a celebrity stand-up night. So from different walks of life, celebrities were going to do a bit of stand-up, right? And this person had signed up for it. And he said, I chickened out last minute. Right. He said, because when I give speeches all over the world, when I'm funny, it's always the bonus. And they're like, oh my God, he's funny.
Yeah.
But now if I'm going on stage and I'm purely expected to be funny,
Yeah.
that for me was like,
Correct,
oh shit.
correct,
And he said, to this day, I always regret that. And I should not have
इसीलिए
chickened
मैं
out.
stand up comedy नहीं करता. ये जो आदमी ने बोला ना वो फाटते मेरी.
Yeah, this is also why comedy is a superpower, right? Because you can put it in any place and it makes the experience way better.
But it's like sometimes if you hang out with a lot of comedians, everyone's joking. You don't feel like whatever you're saying is special at all. Right? And then
Correct,
you go
correct.
for a show surrounded by, regular corporate people. And then you think, no, actually, it possibly is a skill.
Yeah,
You know?
Yeah.
Then when you see someone giving a speech, you're like, no, perhaps there is some skill in what I do.
No, it's like being able to be funny on the spontaneously funny and improvise your way through a conversation. 500% a skill. It's the only skill I have. The most
Really
useful
tangible skill.
That's it.
But it works across industries.
It's work across industries.
It does. I agree with you.
और इसका पैसा मिलना चाहिए, अच्छा पैसा मिलना चाहिए, तो जो मिल रहा है वो कोई गलत नहीं मिल रहा है।
और ये तो 10 अलग जगह से कमा रहा है उसके.
No, but
So,
Gaurav,
to
you know-
answer the question, huh?
But you know how it goes, right? Like, for example, you want to invest in a company, so you spend an hour with the founder on call. They want to know all the cricket shit, right? Like similarly, they want to know my shit, right? So the script keeps getting formed. When you're doing like it's like your own 1 hour. What is it? So I'll pull out. Oh, I have one Shah Rukh Khan story. I have an Amitabh Bachchan story. I have this story. I have this story. So these stories are like private bits, as I call them. These are private bits that you would do at a party, etc., etc., etc. Those private bits start forming. So everybody has one public show and a private
one
show.
private
That's
show.
true, right? So everything that you have seen now
Yeah.
is all part of Gaurav's private show. This is what he would do privately. Okay, this is what happens. This is what happens.
With a pole next to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We haven't said. I kid you not. I feel like, and it could be true of him also. I think 5-6 कंपनियां तो हैं जिनकी कैप टेबल पे हम सिर्फ कहानी सुनते
सिर्फ करके गए करके इन्वेस्ट
सिर्फ क्योंकि उन्होंने जब हमसे मिले तो एडवाइजरी शेयर इसलिए मिली है क्योंकि मैंने विक्ट्री परेड जो हुई थी वानखेड़े में वर्ल्ड कप के बाद उसके बारे में सब कुछ बता दिया कि वो कैसे हुआ. Can we do advisory? We'll do advisory share. So once every quarter we have to just go and
Yeah.
tell them stories
Yeah.
in front of 5 of the other investors.
Yeah.
It is a skill we have learned to monetize. And why
People
not?
feel really good when they know, like, oh, this really happened. What? Oh, okay.
And ultimately, that's what we're here for. To make you feel good. Thank you for attending my motivational talk.
Scam!
I think this is a great ending for the episode. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. तो लाइव शोज वाला अपना मतलब मैं ही हूँ सिर्फ जो लाइव शो से कमा रहा हूँ और
Yeah, I do. But mine is a corporate shows now. I mean.
these guys do private
एक
shows.
मिनट और इस शो से कौन कमा रहा है जो ये शो हुआ है सिर्फ ये कमा
Do
रहा
we get transport fees at least?
है कन्वेंस मिलेगा
Coming from town, yeah, it just takes time and all.
प्लीज कन्वेंस करा दो
मैं करता हूँ sure है. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this episode. Hit that like button. Do let us know in comment section which parts you liked, and subscribe to Presents 4 Yaar.
पावर्ड बाय
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Have you seen India's Got Talent? You've not seen a single episode. It's crazy. It's very good. Like what is built is fantastic. 1 year older than Neeti, but everybody calls Neeti, and people call me Amit sir. 1 year older than.